Thanks to this simple method, you can get rid of a common problem at home. First, take a large empty bottle. It is important that the bottle is made of plastic. Using a utility knife, carefully cut the bottle as shown in the video. For this trick, you will need the bottom part of the bottle. Using a soldering iron, make several small holes in the bottom of the bottle. Next, take a piece of kitchen twine. Thread it through the holes at the front of the bottle and tie it to create a handle. Your bottle is now ready. Now it's time for the next step. Attach a hook to the edge of the sink and hang the prepared bottle on it. The holes in the bottom of the bottle will allow water to drain freely, while food scraps will remain inside the bottle. At the end of the day, simply remove the bottle, throw the food scraps into the trash, and rinse the bottle under running water. Thanks to this method, your sink will stay clean and your pipes won't get clogged. You'll solve the problem without the need for specialized tools and avoid costly repairs. Stick a zip tie into the sink and you won't believe the results. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. You'll never have this problem again. A regular zip tie turns out to be incredibly useful, and you probably have one at home. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Make a few angled cuts along the sides of the zip tie. Don't cut through it. Just notch it diagonally like I'm showing here. Do this on both sides. Many people deal with slow drains in the sink or shower, usually caused by hair buildup. But with this trick, you won't need to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert the modified zip tie into the drain, move it around a bit, and all the hair inside will get caught on the notches. Then just pull it out, toss it along with the zip tie, and you're done. The drain is clear. No plumber needed. And whenever it clogs again, you can quickly make a new zip tie tool in seconds. This one spoonful will save your sink. You'll never call a plumber again. No more wasting money on chemical products. Don't poison yourself or the environment. Make a natural mixture that really works. Start by taking a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice, ideally using a juicer. You'll need about half a cup. Citric acid is excellent at eliminating bacteria and neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add half a cup of dish soap. It dissolves grease and helps the mixture reach deep into the pipes. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt. Thanks to its abrasive properties, it removes built-up grime, limits bacterial growth, and further neutralizes smells. Mix everything until you get a thick consistency. This is important. The thicker the mixture, the longer it stays in the drain and the more effective it is. Now the key part. In the evening, pour 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda into the sink. Immediately follow with the prepared mixture. Leave it overnight. In the morning, plug the sink, fill it with hot water, and after a moment, unplug it. The strong rush of water will flush away the dissolved dirt and bacteria. Done. A clean, odor-free, chemical-free sink. Natural, simple, and effective. Drop these 3 tablets into the sink, and even a plumber will be surprised. The clog will dissolve faster than sugar in tea. Take 3 tablets and crush them into a fine powder. Thanks to the acetyl-salicylic acid they contain, they help remove dirt and blockages. Ordinary aspirin combined with other products becomes a powerful grease and grime remover. Pour the powder directly into the drain. Now it's time for vinegar. Pour in 1 tablespoon and let them work together. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Finally, pour warm water and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the aspirin and vinegar will do all the work for you. They will soften grease, dissolve deposits, and unblock the flow. After 30 minutes, rinse everything with running water. The sink will regain full flow. No harsh chemicals, and no need to call a specialist. Unpleasant odors disappear, and you can enjoy cleanliness and freshness. Safe for pipes and for you. Put a straw in the drain in the sink. You'll be surprised how well this simple trick works. A regular straw turns out to be incredibly useful. For this trick, you'll need a plastic straw. You probably have one at home. You'll also need scissors. With the scissors, you'll make an extraordinary straw. You need to make cuts in several places. See how I do it. Don't cut the straw in half. Just make angled cuts. Make several of these cuts. 2 cuts close together are enough. If you cut out the small part between them, you'll create a sharp tooth. Just cut out a few of these teeth on one side of the straw, and then on the other side. Each cutout must have a sharp tip. See it again. This time I used smaller scissors. It's easier to cut out these small elements with them. Many people have problems with water drainage in the sink or shower. It gets blocked by hair falling in there. Not always do specialized liquids handle them well. But thanks to this trick, you won't have to call a plumber to unclog the drain. Just insert such a straw. Insert it as deeply as possible. If you have smaller openings in the sink, use a thinner straw. Just move it around for a while. All the hairs that were in the drain will get tangled in the straw. Just throw them away, and you're done. The drain will be like new. You won't believe how this simple trick can unclog your drain in just a few minutes. Plumbers never share this secret. Clogged drains are a common issue. Food scraps, grease, and buildup collect inside the pipes. But there's an easy fix. First, scoop all the water out of the sink into a bowl or a bucket. Remove the strainer and sprinkle in a few tablespoons of table salt. Salt works as a natural cleaner. It breaks down residue and disinfects. Boil some water in a kettle and pour it straight into the drain opening. This helps the salt reach the tough spots inside the pipes. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a homemade mixture. In a small bowl, add half a tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline creates a protective layer so grease and grime won't stick easily to the pipe walls. Next, pour in about 3½ ounces of any dish soap. Dish soap dissolves grease and lifts dirt. Mix well until the Vaseline melts completely. Use this mixture to clean the entire sink and faucet. It will polish, remove stains, and protect against water spots. Then pour the rest down the drain. The combination of these ingredients prevents grease and food scraps from clinging to the inside of your pipes. Let it sit for a few minutes, then flush with water. With this simple method, your sink will stay unclogged, odors will disappear, and your pipes will have a protective coating. Just a few drops down the drain are enough. You'll eliminate unpleasant odors for a long time. Ever since my grandma showed me this trick, I've been using it constantly. At first, I couldn't believe how brilliantly it worked. Additionally, it cleans all the impurities invisible to the naked eye that can eventually cause clogs. To prepare this fantastic solution, start by pouring 100 milliliters of dish soap into a container. Dish soap effectively dissolves grease and bacteria. Next, add a tablespoon of salt. Due to its abrasive properties, salt helps clean the drain, reduce bacteria, and eliminate unpleasant odors. The next ingredient in our mixture is vinegar. Pour 100 milliliters of vinegar into the container. It will also help break down grease and combat any bacteria. Mix everything thoroughly to combine. Now we can get to work. Go to the sink and sprinkle baking soda down the drain. Then pour in our mixture. Leave it overnight without using the sink. In the morning, close the drain and fill the sink with hot water. Once there's enough water, pull out the plug so that a strong stream of water flushes our mixture down. You have to try this.